everyone, welcome to week 3 of this online learning process. Okay, so today we are on the class schedule and we are going to talk again Zoom weekly meetings. This is where you go, you click on that link, you type in that passcode. A lot of people are still asking me, how do I get to Zoom? Watch your videos, please. Alright, so a couple things I wanted to reach out and let you know. That one thing I am adding is that all the Zooms, I'm going to kind of record what I do on the paper on my iPad. And I will be posting them underneath like the week we're talking about. Okay, so this is Zoom 4.9, so that was today's Zoom. And I posted it under, this was last week's, and that was Thursdays. So I put Zoom 4.9, and then you can watch what we did on the Zoom. I will be doing that every week, okay? And then we're going to talk about this week. So this week, I hope you guys had a great weekend. It was a 4-day weekend. Hopefully it was great. So this week, our plan, you need to watch this video. Here's the worksheet if you want to follow along with the worksheet. And then you need to do 9.2 big ideas and then 9.1, 9.2 review. Yes, you do have a key to that review. No, you should not copy it. Okay, guys, a lot of people on Box and Whiskers, we need to be careful. We need to read the instructions and read what's asking. Ask questions. I did not get a lot of questions compared to what I thought I would, okay? So this week, you watch the video, you do the big ideas, and do the review activity, and then that is all for this week. Make sure you are emailing me. Make sure you make Zooms if you have questions. Just get in contact with me, okay? And if I haven't replied to you, whichever way you messaged me, try different means. Email is probably my one that I answer the most. But so this week, just make sure you get those things done for me, and I hope you have a great week. Happy week 3.